My name is Stephen Criscuolo, and I'm a pediatric dentist.
My name is Mo Siraj. I'm a pediatric dentist here at Smile Everyday Dentistry. Our office does see children. We specialize in children from when they're first born up to the age of 18. We do provide a very safe and friendly environment for all children of all ages. As a father of two, I know that not two kids are created equally. As such, our goal here at Smile Everyday Dentistry is to make sure that your child has a great experience that they're looking forward to coming back to at their next visit. Now, we recommend that you bring your child to our offices when you see the first tooth erupting, or the latest by 6 months. And the reason for that is to establish a dental home. And that's the place where you're going to bring in your child to their visits to provide comprehensive care for them and to establish all the preventative habits that are going to be needed for a lifetime of no cavities. Absolutely, we would love to have you in the back with your child. And the reason for that is because we are building a rapport with the child and with the parent. We want to see both the child and the parent comfortable at this appointment. We are building long-term relationships with both the child and the families.
I tell parents it's important to start early with their child. If they're scared, definitely bring them in anyway. The idea is the more time we have, the easier it is for us to get them accommodated, right? To get them comfortable, to get them feeling like they're in an environment that's safe, and that takes time. So if they're scared, bring them in. We start small. We do a little bit at a time until we reach the point where they're feeling more comfortable and we can add more to it. It's a process that builds on itself slowly. So if they're scared, that usually means they're young, bring them in. If they're a little bit older and they're scared, no worries. We have different tactics that we can use for those kids as well. The idea is to just bring them in so that we can start that process to get them accommodated and get them feeling comfortable with the dentist. I would say there's really not a whole lot that you need to bring to their first dental appointment. A lot of it is more about how you prepare. So there's a couple ways that I recommend getting your child ready to come visit us. First is letting them watch Sesame Street and any of these videos that show the brushing and the flossing and all those type of fun activities. That makes it more likely for them to feel at ease when you're doing it here. We like for them to practice there and then to kind of see some videos, read some books so that they know what to expect when they walk in the dental office. If you can find pictures of the dental office before you guys come in, awesome. Get pictures, show the kids. They can see the cool operatories, they can see what it's like, they can see what the sights and sounds they're gonna expect. And that's gonna make the whole process easier. If you find that you have a very, very positive experience with that at home, bring whatever you find at home or you're using to the dental office to make it easier for them. If they have a stuffy that they brush their teeth at home, awesome, bring that. If there's a book that they like to use and they wanna read together, great, bring it, and when you sit in the chair, we can read it together. Little things like that help them to transition into a calmer and just much smoother experience for them. Yes, we do accept patients with extraordinary abilities. We have family members and friends that are touched by this, and all members of our community are. And we believe it's our responsibility to be able to offer care to them in the best way possible. To that end, we've partnered with a lot of our friends in various sedation centers and hospitals so that we can work together as a unit so that we can offer access to care in an environment which is becoming increasingly difficult for those kids. It's pretty much our mission to make sure that anybody that steps through our door gets taken care of.